Hi everybody, we are here at the Hyatt West Palm downtown. We are staying in room 328. Come on in. When you first come in, there's a little couch. Over here we have, oop, the door just shut. The coffee area. Here's the beds. Nice big TV. Sink area. Look at the view. Pretty. We have a view of a parking lot, but look at all the buildings. Nice. This is it. And here we are. We are in West Palm Beach at the Hyatt Place, 295, Lakeview Ave and South Olive. Look at this. We're going through the front door. Here's the bar area, a seating area. Oh look, I found my husband Glen. This is really nice. So in the morning, this is where they have their breakfast area. Compliment breakfast buffet. And here is the setup right here. 6:30 a.m. We will come here tomorrow morning. This is nice. Here's the coffee, microwave. They have water set up. And here's Gabriel. Hi. Tell us where you think we should go to eat. A local place. We all know. Yes, please.
A restaurant just right there is called Morton's. A lot of the guests here, they love it. It's a steakhouse.
Okay.
And I suggest you try the cheesecake. It's pretty good.
Okay. And what about where the locals go?
The locals go to Clematis Street. It's going to be right about there. That's where the local restaurants are.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, we have a CVS machine right there, and Walgreens or CVS, I can look on my phone.
And we have the lobby bar. Now open every day. Happy hour. Oh, we missed it. And right over here is the elevators. We're up on the 3rd floor. If you'd like to come and just relax. And there's the Glen. my handsome husband. Let's find out where the pool is.
There's no pool here.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Found in ELCAMINO.
Huh?
I found in ELCAMINO. Mexican.
Say it again.
What?
I found in El Caminos. Is it the same place as Lauderdale? Let's go. Hundley, Hundley. I don't know where to go. I'm going to follow you. Chop, chop. Here we go. We found an El Caminos in Fort Lauderdale. They had an awesome cheese dip. Sea tracks, think crane. Here is the menu from the bar at the Hyatt House at West Palm Beach. We just got some of the mozzarella sticks.
I will.
And I've made a new friend.
Thank you, sir.
Look who's here. Hi, baby girl. Hi. This is my friend. Hello. I love you. So precious. We are here down at the Hyatt Place in West Palm Beach. This is the lobby. And they do offer breakfast. So let's go take a peek. Snacks. And here is the dining room. Okay, there's scrambled eggs, potatoes, sausage, pancakes, beans. Some oatmeal, some toppings. There's biscuits. Over here they have muffins, fruit, juice, coffee, cereal. Let's see here. Gravy for the biscuits. So let's go eat.